Today we're going to take a look at a couple Bose home theater systems. First off, we have the Cinemate home theater system that comes with the Acoustimast bass speaker and also two satellites. And then the other system comes with the same bass speaker, so I only have one on the table, but there's two of them. Comes with one bass speaker, like this, the big Acoustimast, and it comes with two satellite drivers and a DVD player, FM radio, and this will hook up to pretty much everything in your house. AM radio combo, so you get a lot with this unit as well. The drivers sound amazing. The Acoustimast system is incredible. So if you need a DVD player or you just want to replace your entire home theater setup with something that's more elegant, simpler, easier to use, requires less cables, then you're looking at the system for you. Now, the other system is the 321 GS Series 2. And that's the one that comes with the DVD player and FM AM player. Now, let's talk about the speakers here, because the technology and all this is the same, and like they both use the same Acoustimast bass speaker. You know, these guys actually hold a patent for the technology that's in this Acoustimast subwoofer system right here. Now, what's nice about this, a lot of times with the other systems you crank up the volume really high, and the low frequencies you'll start to hear like a fluttering almost. It'll sound like the speaker's broken or something like that. Well, with this one, the patent pending technology allows them to play back the lowest frequencies even at high volumes, so you'll still get clean bass even at the really high volumes. Now, I've used these Bose systems myself a lot, and they sound unbelievable. You put this on the floor, and here's the beauty of it. You put this on the floor, you can put it underneath the table, beside the couch, even behind a curtain or behind a drape. No one's going to see it, and they're going to think all of the audio is coming out of these elegant drivers here. And the systems, all they have are two drivers. Does that mean it's surround? How could it be surround with only two drivers? Well, here's the way it works. These use the articulated array speaker design. Now, inside here there's a couple drivers, and the drivers are precisely aimed. Now, this allows you to get full 5.1 channel surround sound with just a couple speakers. You're going to hear a clear center channel. It's going to bounce the sound off the walls. You're also going to hear rear channels. It's going to sound like things are coming from behind you. But you're not going to have to run cables across the room. You're not going to have to hook up any speakers on the other side of the room, or you're not going to have to run them across the ceiling, anything like that. Speaking of ceiling, you can mount these things, or you can set them on the desk. It's up to you. There's a spot in the back where you can screw them into the wall. Mount them however you like. But the beauty really is in the fact that all you have are just a couple satellite speakers. That's your footprint right there. That's nice. That's really nice. It's going to remove a lot of clutter from cabling and all that sort of thing. And when you guys hear this, you're not going to want to go back to, you know, the 10 speakers all over the room anymore. This is all you're going to need. It's going to sound amazing. Now, another thing that's interesting about this system, it's acoustically balanced so that as you move around the room, wherever you are, the sound bounces around. You're still going to hear a clear center channel, even if you move over a little bit. It's not like you need an exact sweet spot. They've balanced these specifically so that you can move around and still be able to hear a clear center channel, so the dialogue does not sound muddy. It's not mixed in with all the other different channels. It really does sound like it's coming from a center channel. That's where the dialogue is. You'll hear the things behind you coming from behind you when they should come from behind you. If a helicopter comes across, it's going to sound like it's coming from behind you, even without the rear speakers. I know I've reiterated a bit on this, but I want you guys to understand that you're truly going to hear the full surround sound with just a couple speakers. So that's what's nice. All right, now let's move over and talk about the DVD player for a minute. All the way over here, rolling around. Now, on the DVD player, you got a lot of options, and here's what's cool about this. You can actually hook this up to other Bose components in the other room. There's a spot in the back where you can use the Bose link, and you can plug it up to other speaker units in different parts of the house. You can hook it up to another one of these. This one has an input for a link on the back, so you can run the audio to different rooms. If you wanted to share maybe a CD or an audio DVD or something like that, you can do that, and you can play it back. Now, this one, the speakers are a little smaller, but they still produce the full sound that Bose is known for. The sound is amazing with these, and these also will allow you to get full surround sound. It'll basically directionally send the audio to bounce off the walls and that sort of thing, so you'll be able to hear the audio behind you. It sounds amazing. All right, let's take a look at the ins and outs on the back of this unit, so you can start to think about what you can hook up to this. Now, you'll be able to plug up your DVD player, you'll be able to plug up your VCR, you'll be able to plug up several different players, even some other stereos and that sort of thing. This is really going to become your stereo, though, because you can actually play your CDs back right here. Now, as we can see here, we have the that's where you plug up the Bose system right there. That's the bass module. And right here, you can hook up a component signal right there. That'll give you high definition. We have a couple S-video with the composite there. And then we have all our audio ins and outs right here. And then, above and beyond that, that is an audio input right there. So you'll be able to hook up another audio signal and stream that through here as well. We have a spot for an AM and an FM antenna on this unit as well, and you can see that there. So you can plug it up and put the antenna wherever's best to get good signal. So you're going to be able to listen to whatever you listen to. Hopefully it's not trashy pop radio. Hopefully it's NPR or something like that. But you can listen to it in any room of the house, and especially if you use this right here. This is the Bose Link. And this allows you to hook it up to, like I said, the other systems, put a system in the kitchen, maybe wire some speakers through the walls. I mean, if you want to get creative and do your entire house up, you can link it all together and have it all running off this one elegant unit. So you're not going to have to put all kinds of units everywhere and hide things away in closets. This can sit out on the table. It's elegant. It's going to play your DVDs back. It's going to play your CDs. It's going to play everything you need, even the radio, like I said, and you're going to be able to hear it all over the house. So it's an incredibly complete unit, and a lot of people, when they build houses, they pick up Bose systems and they just wire them everywhere. And this is really a great way to start, because it becomes the heart of your system and your entire house. Not only is it the heart of your home theater system, because it has the nice bass speaker that produces amazing low frequencies, even at high volumes, but it also has the satellites and the ability to link it to all the other units in the house. Now that's a complete experience from Bose. If you guys have any questions about these Bose home theater systems, you can just click on the Q&A at the top of the page and you'll be able to get the answers there. I'll hop in there as well, but right now it's just a question of which system you want to go with. You want to go with the one that comes with the heart and the DVD player, or do you just need the surround sound? And these things sound phenomenal. Hey, it's Bose. I'll see you guys next time. For more information on the Bose Cinemate digital home theater speaker system, go to Tiger Direct and type B55-1024. If you're looking for the one with the DVD player as well, type B55-1020 into that same search box. Or you can call us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. 800-800-8300.